Well, everybody, it is contest time. Well, it's not really contest time. It was giveaway. So I had a giveaway. I put a giveaway together. And the giveaway, I thought it's Christmas time. See the snow? That I don't know how long that'll be here, but it's time for giving. And you guys have given me a lot. You know, whether your comments have agreed or disagreed with me, doesn't matter. We all have different perspectives. And frankly, I want to hear what everybody has to say. But thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. I'm going to work harder at this and put out better content, quality content. But I wanted to announce the winner of the giveaway. And since it's Christmas time, I thought I'd be a little bit more giving. So I decided everybody that has commented is going to get a tool. I'm just going to randomly pick it, and you get to receive a gift this Christmas. It may not make it Christmas time, but I'll get it there as quick as I can. So I'll have my email in the description. Send me an email. I'll put your usernames in the description here. So contact me directly, and I'll get your address, and we'll send you out the tool, the gift for Christmas time. Thank you very much.